Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to change date of birth in Google account in mobile. So let's see. Before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are pretty new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you go to Google right here. Click on Google. Then it's going to take you right here. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on your Google account. Then proceed to your Google account right here. Then the next thing you need to do is to go to personal info. Then at the bottom right here, you simply scroll down all the way down here and make sure you click on birthday. Then right here, you can simply change your month, change your date, and change your year. For you to do that, simply click on here, choose a new month, and click on here, choose a new date, and click on here to type in your new year. Once you're done, then you go. Then what you need to do is to simply come down below right here and click on Save Change. And the new date of birth is going to be saved into your Google account. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply change your date of birth in Google account. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video.